Welcome to Live in and as Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light and love flowing. Our first message today is it can be but myself I crucify. You have no idea of the tremendous release and deep peace that comes from meeting yourself and your brothers totally without judgment. Our second message today is the 7-star sisters, birthing creations, tapestry of life, expression. There are new creations that want to be born, beauty that is yearning to be woven, new consciousness that is longing to be breathed into life. If you draw this card, you are being called to surrender to these creations, to usher in a new era of consciousness and do your bit in weaving the web of life. This is the card of the artist and the midwife. You are being called to ponder questions. What wants to be birthed through you? What new creations are whispering in your ear? What beauty are you being called to make? Creativity and intuition come from the same sacred place. They occur when we find ourselves flowing with the rest of life. Earth is renowned as a planet of manifestation and creativity, and yet so many of us have forgotten how to create. Somewhere along the way, we stopped seeing ourselves as artists, as creatives, as poets. Yet, to be human is to be creative. Creativity is part of your true nature. Perhaps you are being called to surrender to a creative project, such as a new business or a book. Or perhaps you are being called to weave beauty in your home or in the way you cook. Regardless of the end result, you are being called to express yourself through your creativity, to surrender to the creative projects that both scare and excite you, to find a way to weave beauty back into everyday life. For where there is creativity, spirit and soul are present, and the world needs those qualities now more than ever before. This is an inquiry card, and the inquiry is, what new creations are you being called to birth? The messages today are, be creative, listen to your intuition. What is it that is being birthed to you? What is it that wants to be expressed through you? Ask your soul, what is it that you need to create? These are the messages for today. Lots of love.